Is that quite up about ye?
I mean,
now, what to say?
I'm Pomudia, I can't NLA, a human paying for the back home.
What come on, you can't say, Monya Kua, Motai Casa Bebre, dear Casa Nessie.
I mean, as me, say, on a pay Rajabrena, only a chief for a better mountain, some I cost NLA. Medin Chaka 7 more chief for Nan and a for. Na makati na legend for say him say times are hard but omo fanche nye ni da ho but ebresem no the reset agenda no yebebo mampanyi na eneliwa reset no aminia bedo ase na wo ka say na legend for mun time ti se kasa no kre because ye gidie ni say sa semba sabia ya no ne edika na penyina sabi yetunefuo edema wontie no ena yede ba abonten menia ohwe NLA adwumaku na emra at 722 ema yon kwan se luto ayitwa no man mu nyina no yen ena yen hwe so yen regulate yen supervise na yen conduct enti NLA adwumaku no odina brane. But now I know because I share the condition under which a woman are very bad. I am Papa, Penny, President Mama Boni Dinsa, Omra Mayor Director General, so Becaya, a Boni Dino. I don't know Cassani Sumu for the Bree, Edgy to a so. So you'll be our Yakamoni and common person about Abelu to Ejuma. No so by and the crew only said, Tionum, everything in because of Ejuma 4. Wasita yenya any kasa ya kasa che adwumafo enti na ma oda so ho because enema nkoyi no menua o hwa afie twam a adwumafo ba bia ya papa no ene ne board ebe fa ya akatia ne agie mo ankasa mo trati ka che se akatia mo ba ya mo betu se adwumafo ne gino sebe eyanko akatia o fa no slave wages. What it means is say I was say any bibi. Not just NLA, who are bontia, loto dear, no, Sabi, I for no, your home toy. And in a woman has a move to me, as such a Jumanona, Sikaba Munafi, young so dear sabotage my phone. I feel young Tabianship, Bosome Bear, Miensa, HMO, a few 2025 around April. Management Fair Union, I say, GRA for a assessment, we now assessment number year no. Omen say taxes are you tear away earnings, no. And your pay first one, you're calculating on and paying for calculating. Now, Sabi, say yes, and no, for the FIA because all management now said the employer, no, you have a duty under the income tax laws. So, but you say, what it is, friend say, a tour. A yellow council the Amabai. And is a white Chamuna, fear Chamuna 1 year. Yeah, I can't no said you catch as any day. I feel Musi, the Akoban say, what's a tuano, a 39 on the council, any problem. Say, I share any moody eye, but yes, really no. What is the impact a Bema Edumanino? Meaning, I know Casobanella, Edumani Bia Katiano. From the beginning of last year, EBCs have been swatted by either 11% or 13%.
I'm calling any mum swatted.
Never just say,
I'm calling any mum a sumum na.
I'm calling any mum a sonati.
Hey,
a sonati. Now, we started here and I did buy our failure because he had to take tax on the class on the class. And I got champagne for say, yes, sir. I was here when you're home, baby. And you may afford to meet traffic catchers as a BA idea when you cry. I forget them, dear. Management, I might be beating Yaki and more to, and I am my yet two musicas on Yaki. The catchums and Nelly said you can't do for. We prefer to dialogue than being confrontational. And the any management in Shanian to turn your money on hours, I gap no. You be here no point. Meanwhile, your true proposal at the command management last year. Especially now, I know because I negotiation in Timmy. In Timmy, in the Benjamin Pocket, yeah, aban ankasa 9% this year no NL adwuma for yenyibi yenyibi enji ayenyibi no NL nya aban adwuma say the aban fa sika de man bo ne ho brawo yen ankasa ne generate sika ne de tua ho ka enji aban ka nkofo de ni ade NL yen ka ho enji ede na even points aban adwuma ni mpo a sebi Oma aban sikampo 9% anka ye ankasa generate sika e de boy ho brand say na wo senti nya na ko ba sia ketia sumpo betiti enu ye ni management atranse aka ho asem say at least ya can see we say mama ye even 17% on our salaries are saga bunu ebe close no na mpese atetia na wa fi aban atuma madwumafo no mpo ye no ye nka te fa bi mai but the gap na wo no keke no mama ye close no na ye san fa adwumafo no enko ba bia 2025 no. How is this difficult for anybody to understand? Yeah, by our catch say the movement mama ya 12% because I know na mama budget for near the see. And not here. And now we are going to accept it. Because when you be a man here, if you cannot do us right, don't worsen our situation. Because labor laws does not even allow you to make the conditions of an employee worse off.
Okay.
And it's the only thing here. Just restore us. And we are not management here board. Up and down. You can't want some Sabi, the team free essence and negotiation, heated argument here. They about the Shamu Kukomuni Makasa paying for say, yeah, Sabi, a basic and to my buffet. Let's deal with this issue. But it appears that will be able to win in say, or not yet. He claims, oh, maybe I'm a difficult person. And you know, if you're a difficult person, the authority belongs to the SARS. And said, don't a Juma NLA, I trust you over 60 years. The stars are wallowing in abject poverty. And she has just said, Jumana, about the system, Pempensowi. Nakaka said, we would have shared Juma for now soon to me. Yeah, the Assembly Koja Labor Commission. So on no media assembly. And for my Nenuchino, any attractions say a Jumana Gazana, it looks as if said deliberately. And paying 1 year, Oma Jane say, Omobashi said, Jumana said, your man Penny President Mahama, a Pexi, a research Ganano. The management that he has at NLA together with the board, they don't show commitment. They are not showing a little bit of it. Say a Jumano, Omobashi, because I feel if any no. They will tell you that we are not seeing anything. Opa Bontina Lotto agent, Omucha Lotto Ma Bino, Oko machines on the Jumaminia, machines live over 10 years. My Juma when 10 years in Oba Jumani Mua, the time I ever no machines are way over 10,000. And then Oba, the machines are 1 a year, man. It's even less than 3,000.
Hey,
machines in your break it down.
And as a company, more retrogressive.
We are not progressing. And you can buy a film and can show deliberate actions are a better human economy rather than more person license private for any moment you do a scar at your mind. How insensitive can you be? How insensitive can you be? On my human idea, so as a moment, you know, private man not have continue more interest, no, a crane yamo chain on my humano. And now by Juma Timwa, laptop 2 said, dear Juma. Who office back when any part 20 a Juma laptop, a bill 2 and 3. Dear Kasami personal laptop, cram, dear Juma.
Hey,
a lot of people. I said, you put Juma, you put out, said you one. And your corners are near Nelly Crabby Juma. And you to me to not bunko for a bunting. Price a pop tie and no benella, your grounded cars because. And pay for saying, this is the state of affairs when Nelly. Now, you move here, a bus who funk of what they are, won't go for the form of bedroom. You are employing new people. New people are who employ man. They are not coming to add value to the organization. Because Nipana the Nepano, 2 to 2 at the Bayaj Macrabino, and 2 find a song I'm heading.
Yeah.
What are you employing these people for?
Na mo akra mu go akra mu so na mo
Yeah,
akwa adidie dem maya ye de bi be ka ho.
You are still employing people. Last month, 2 months ago, Moody be by a meanwhile, your condition of service, or what she said, so management who believe he said vacancies as is still a human man. You have to advertise internally. Advertisement done why Utuania do be by a fan of Juma. Now the sad thing is that what's often now not to salary as such and for so many years. What kind of disrespect is that?
Wow.
What kind of disrespect is this? Wouldn't go for Sebi, they have no clue about the Jumano, or no new mom not just to change your babbage and the Jumano. And you expect us to accept this?
Nipa no betche na adwuma ni salary so achen de ono aba no.
Omo te adwuma ni dada no. 10 years, 15 years no.
What say
the situation with NLA?
Ono ne sika kete.
Omo wa take more sika kete. And these are the issues. There are copious of them. And now you can say your platform you use to educate to Kasobidi Lota, ultimately Kwana, your register and your Kania Diadeno. A Jumani or no ya dismissing for misconduct. Yes, in Suma and a person of questionable character. Or no management Abana fan is only develop software and for Juman.
A Jumania ya pamuno.
What's that the committee? A catcher committee said they should review the person's way without going through the necessary procurement processes.
Now these are happening under contract.
And is it the mandate of my penny? The man said, Mumra made more on my nanny. Is it the mandate of my penny? The man said, Mumra Nelly, no more resetting. Is it the character and the leadership you are going to show to reset the business? Meanwhile, there's publication all over the place. KG or Ekase, Oma NLA, 173 million last year.
Yeah.
As one of our collaborators.
Yeah.
Apart from that, your private lotto operators are Master Line Sisoma, Omsu Discover NLA, Sikano the brain NLA, Sika. Again, this can I. You can't even have it. Talk of say, obey capital injection crowd where Jumani, Amieska. Etienne, abundance for retailers and new Mano. They prefer so many private, no. I'm quite by Juma so near by bed. Because any man on Yakono. That is what it is. So it's becoming like a deliberate attempt to say the background here, Juma, so that private business will thrive.
Yeah.
That is how we see it. We think that it is a deliberate action by the management and the board. So the private entity will thrive over the government and we will resist it with everything that is in us. Because we are citizens of the country and we will have the civic responsibility to ensure that we will not allow anybody to come and take us for granted. We will not allow it.
NLC forces say.
Many are an LMC. Meno Kase are class and she meet your best of the management here. Because they are also bleeding out there. Only management they share over the time. This is not the first time. But Ayakasa, they are just paying lip service to resetting the business. They are paying lip service to it. And here are more ultimatum. So within 2 weeks now, you take us attention. We are not ready to listen to cock and bull stories. We are not ready to listen to vague promises. Oh, Baba, say employment, you are halting it. Because we will not allow Sebi Obisa what you will be bad, Brown for due processing. And if there is vacancies, advertise and let the people within you who say there is vacancies in the organization. Then people can fill up. You don't progress. Scheme of service, except how are we a Juma or Chinabako and Human, a big weapon. Before I start buying Babano, now you need the previous government management or I get negotiation to develop a scheme of service. I bet you say we are 2 years, 3 years. I see I don't I also will do anyway. Mobile Amaka say you want to review it. 1.5 years, that review has not been done. Now you take the advantage of it and you are employing people and putting them on higher grade. That is a person who is not sensitive to the plight of the staff. You are not sensitive to the plight of staff. In the scheme of service, we are calling on them, say, they have to operationalize it. We have to operationalize it. Into the specific issues I did really, you notice that their mom no.
Yeah.
There's no time to waste. Next year, you start going for your internal party politics and all of that. You won't even have time to pick and focus on the business. Politics. That is what politicians do. For first 2 years, if you can't do anything, the next year, we will not allow them to take us for granted. And that is a word of caution that we are sending them. We will not allow it.
But Mr. Kwame, genuinely, on a insider. Apart from say, taking proper measures, no. Now, the recruitment and now more employee for no. Do you think NL for vacancies that needs to be filled?
I don't have the mandate of the president. Say NL he's ready to collaborate with the staff. We shouldn't employ less than even 5,000 staffs.
Wow.
I'll be honest with you.
All over Ghana.
But the current status of human woman, there are so many idle hands that won't hear so be account. But the business has the potential to do more than the current number. And then what's you'll be as the war or mine who do a bind who die. It should be your focus. So that the party in Kofu Jumano, what may expand the business run off home. That is what you do. Then you the one I now you are coming to add on to the number. You could have associates can go. Now when Jimmy committees to revamp the business, what kind of leadership strategy is this? What kind of leadership strategy is this? And two say Jumano, it has the potential, the capacity to employ a lot of people. If they will be committed to ensuring that they actually want to reset the business. Because at the minute, okay, say Jumano, I want the machine to some years ago, 10,000. That's about to 3,000. That's the bar. You should be aiming to hit that 10,000 and beyond. Because and already so many of my year. So why is that not your prime occupation? Now we are a Jumafone Coco Pesicanes who Sabana. Or basic benefit, Debia management has a problem with it. What kind of leadership is this? You are private operators, no so Emma Whisker says Canadian Amodia. Over 200 million Ghana cedis last year. No, they should come and tell us. And when they didn't want some level commission catch up there, they should come and open their book. They should show us the audited account near here. Says you come on, I says can you do more? And that is our call. But say a catch up there within that 14 days, no. If they come and pay lip service and fake promises, we will not be listening. And we will take the necessary action now. They believe strongly say a Bema Jumano, they revive. Even if they have to take up to call for their heads, we want the president to move them. Because these are not people who have the business and the country at heart. How am I ready say they actually want to restructure NLA? They have been quiet for too long a time. I don't know for a casa. And Jamaica, you have one who believes I said leadership no crano, because the business is inundated with a lot of challenges. And because you believe I was here casa. But at this time, we have had it up to our neck. We are not ready to listen to paying lip services. They are calling a Minister of Finance. NLA is under the supervision of the Minister of Finance. They should properly structure the business. Recently, NLA wants them. It's over the news. They make a decision for because we don't want to double in their needless party politics. We are not ready. Anything you make a but this time we are talking about the very issues that come to the existence of the business, and we are not ready to compromise on it. And it's obviously difficult. And I mean, I have my convictions. The staff also have our convictions, and we enforce say the reset agenda. The NLA is properly reset. We will not sit down for anybody to take us for granted.
Of course. that why about me now say stage I drew no yeah National Labour Commission.
Yes.
Yenhwe almost so mbaba what is expected and mandated so mubeye but you be fair chair din komodie be sibia no bekasa.
Let us be me.
I mean council. Yera Murphy Edukwawo ana General Secretary Udru National Lottery Authority local union secretary on a local union secretary or hodum so sometimes a company a government institution be I say revenue generation ababe issue now one machine at 10,000 now some machine no the generate revenue atia bedru quarter 3,000 now by that generators ask na generating that. So how can you pay them? You are not saying say yeah my employee because me tie e ko ade bia me ko say e employ a lot of youth go for we school mu tifie. But what at the end e be sesa say you use the right procedure, advertise within, then it comes out you employ yanko yenim. Now we employ any papa account, knowing very well say, and near be aid those people no cry employ some the baby age many ho. Tinipan ba or to office on ya jumebia. But some so expected be trianica revenue ma ti de bia na the pressure agu authority ni so. Me kai pa abra papa you call me so e kremuni okotwa lotu. Tira me dem say papa yeah anticipate say a lot of problems in the beba. Yes. And I know so no can say any challenge because say 10,000 machines in the best say one time. And the current leadership, the best 10,000 the Kwame within 1 year and in say I be do 3,000. A best if it's that time, but at least they were able to control some of these things. Lot of foreign young go form tabe, you have industrial action, you have a cost strike, you be say. The mandate of NLE, the National Lottery Authority, muno, another revenue, ebe generating a money making machine for government. And you qua it's directly under the Ministry of Finance. Directly. Directly under the Ministry of Finance. And can be being chewana. And can be being chewana. And Ghana hano debia yesi yeniska. And HSC I can't say Bosnia. Meanwhile, there are institutions, yes, structure here. Look at SCA KGL, but look at SCA, the private companies they contract you more, and then you say because of politics, no, SCA they buy. Why me yeah, na me share the political side. Senipani NDC ni a man contract na be fetch SCA ye here maya. So be it. Oya MPP ni na SCA ye here obetima generate revenue amaya. So be it. I don't give a damn. I don't care about the MPP and the NDC. The mandate is for them to generate money for us, to generate revenue. Lotto am yet me ya quine. Lotto is gay am ye ya quine. Lotto ya quine am of us. Lotto am ye ya quine. Lotto am ye say, Lotto am. That is what I'm expecting. Kwame.
We've not been serious for once. Cry or my bako cry. Me say, baby, baby, any baby, baby, ya you need politics.
Too much.
Say yeah, set me NDC name, me NPP name, but me need to try a yonko 90. At the end of the day, there wasn't here. Nedim pum to ba. Now you're so bound for so much side Jumakuono. Yeah. Because of politics. Kwame say, "Oh, where the ekosu yi na." Te say, "Ntiase bie nim." Say what say we side we esi. Ntiase bie nim. Ntiase bie nim o. Ntiase bie nim. But because of politics, Yes, say bibia. I didn't know buy 10,000 or not to see whom they obey. Or reason a day, obey any day, or the son uncle, the obeying, and nonsense, say, Ben, our neighbor. Why are you not making it known to workers no more how on your muyejuma? At least we are candinia Kwame. If you come, your vision should be known to your workers. Then they will be in line with you. Namunyina muyejuma na mo komani. Senti yati wasi ananki yati se endele a prophecy sika say na the sika anymore they did you must say they are more minor. Kwame tinge more mabaso.
Of course, why not? Why not? I didn't hear more mabaso.
I didn't hear more mabaso. But I said, mo person, oh, Debbie. Oh, my, we party.
Send run a Vag Wednesday. 61 boy, 18 boy.
Okay.
Debbie, answer me low to the minimum.
Many already was there.
That may you research about them, no? Adam, you come home, Vag Wednesday,
I didn't see that.
And then be also, I'm trying to
Matthias.
And the Vag Wednesday, no, it was 61, 18, 13, 62, 77.
I wrote to the mutual Mudi.
Amudipa.
How where's your?
Not me Rama Dibipa.
Sir.
Rama Dipa.
And yes, I'm your goofy, no Mudiana.
That be don't know I mean, the
cake, and look about champion. And a man Dennis Jai little channel.
And you go to champion Mono.
Not Dennis or no child, Sammy by or no
calculation yet because our champion money.
That's the one idea about
I know noon rational and your bonnet
rush
and no 57 73
one of party or more we are there no more you ready
sir you ready account and then you ready
noon rush or you ready and la sawana or modibe we bia ni nyina show kwame is so much mu tre as a person nanka loto na kwa say the whole day no fiti an pass and you ready no atwa na almost 6 no ne 7 no near the resource number but say a chim if it are no pass em say kopim 10 utumi twa bi na 12 mu o san so ne no so twa bi na bia 6 de no so na ba nti say o ma chechechim e mo chechechim mu twa sa say loto na e bebiri nje ye bebiri sa na akoma ni die no ayeden no ba na obetwa na no ba kwa mi enni no anyumre bo se ne no
akobo
because who feel say waboka no point who ntwa bi mu nti wo bo se anyumre
na say loto do ga so waboka wo loto no enu akra
se kwa me dodo na hu se wo mo boka nti wo mo ja di wura bet mu then say na manager e o se bet no e be say utumi hu no e cash out
o se wensu ye so mo bibisa ho
dabi
bibisa
ni Kwame
gaso
ni gaso ni loto ribo ye nya bo number no lu so hu she di obehu an se numbers na ba bon
de yo mo kan yem de se pay me ana o pay me na ye say
entize bia o pay
around many pay me
and omo straight to too sure not trade direct and you ebinu mo omo nya sure of omo numbers nti no maybe omo high numbers no 5 and 6 and 8 nti ebia so 3 solid numbers no akope numbers foforo bi dia ba be ka ho nti e bofa na say wanya ne kakrawa na say wona e kono na say wanya bi adi ani
karero ra fa ke o holma na fampa bo fo ko famoroku holma kwa be diri holo loto fo no ba sa
ani
e buza ba me say oburu na buza mass book dala say na bi sa na video was every day we was a paper dey grow
omo ye working sa
numbers kwa
omo ye working
that we don't depend on buza ma me say that be sa omo na mass book na
omo ye
temptation e be ba mathematical program bi omo na ko and say na me say lotu of what crack omo brezo
hey Kwame na oko no mu kuta graphic na utumi chance every 1992 Kwame no almost person no so different no
bido yawe
so actually so almost person different omo pen no so obu use any other pen this are big
I went there
it is a new blue and a black omo to was
red and so since
red yes red and so the bread is
omo me fuck you what we who
Kwame na akoto omo pa no omo kuta graphic na minim massa ya omo ye wo
comfort is serious
Bepe ne mabisa ho question sa menti ase kwa mo fa so ye mo calculation free 1992 obehwe mu sa bo say number we ebo 1992 ebo date we ebo bre we no asamba no abehwe 93 sa Kwame omo check ni nyina o as a weather forecasters no ma predict say oh any numbers we abo atwa so sa bre we dey we that we sa na obe so wa ba be yi no sa but they be so dey body
I mean, Enra, a very honor video be out the Sunday. In fact, Miraho to me catch a company say, we omu get an idea in Yansen be any. No, there no way.
Oh, dear, no,
so that for
home minority about.
Aye, no, so that for grab a permanent nation. I get the dear no way.
She,
yeah, the dear no way. I am on a crocron. Where the Mujina DNA or Yashi. Okay, there is Destiny. And also a cost. Kwame, there's a big allegation. Allegation, I know a tenny. Video I read ya, Monfantus, Kofobi allegation about chief of staff. Now, me name how a mass, no. Kwame, a beweki. To be honest, yes, me who how a mass number work say somewhere around I think it was Bekum West or saying Galamsey be Kosu. No one link it to him. I don't know how the mass will
that's so serious.
Will work because NT my NT na me pese me NT.
Yeah, how you know and say Galamsey for Abba Amamaswa. Yeah, be no chrono yempe. That's so yaka ho asema ntia se anya adwuma ye wo ha na mosofo basisa excavator wo ha nyina e de koye ye nim se atwa e hu ya ni se be de sambod abesi amomaso ene benkasa a mampanyini photo etare so ye nua ama kofibua ono so ni photo etare so ye ka ho asem no Ade Akye ya na ehu se ba sesa mampanyini ne ye nua ama kofibua photo no ade photo foforo abetare so eye excavator ba ko ene anwaka ye nim se ye ka ho asem asesa sa no ya ka ho asem a ne aba sese ni se ye kuruma de ekoso no yempe no a ye beka ho asem no o ka na police fo abecho sisi ya ye kasai na no ya woda na na ba ko na na kwesi ye bo a ene mrantie miensa adontinyine ene mrantie miensa e ka no ho sa nipa ya oyem case ma ya chim first ono nko aba kro ha oye hoho no wa ye case ahoro nan achi kro ha fo
na mpacho ne hwan
mene abusia panyini amamaso oluma machi
to wadi kan achi
wadi kan achi me e ma sa no koduru sunwane the fresh say ye hia na ye hu say ye kokoto na ye ko wa ma nkompre nan wa ma na police fo ka chem say me metra se be hia me abebe frem eno achi na wasana achi na nanom enan ya bewo remand sesi ya na de aya yura ho ayi ya ni se nana ne yehu se ese yesu yitu anamon ma nana no ti task force for ekochi nipa ngwotwe every brekum district commander
nipa ngwotwe no mokochi o me
ekochi be na be ye galamsey
galamsey site
ai ekochi be no ede commander ma police for be fa be call brekum regional brekum district quarters besine ya kan benchi bia ye wo ha na sada no isi 20th May 22nd May nipa makuma komacho my for aduonu ekit mu dun son kitatuo e de ba na na dwantoa ni fie so onya announcement say sada na ye fie da onya announcement say joda baba ba ya adwuma nti wo pesa wo ba bia no wo ba ya adwuma no bibia bra na ya ntwere wudini ne na ma beti ase se afidi na odi ya adwuma no ye kuro ha dia kuro ha mpayifo dia ono so ye nana ne be de ahye ni sa adwuma na bebe ye no nana no ye mpe nti o ye sa announcement na enye yie na be koye na tuo na nipa du so kita tuo dia ba nipa ba kofuso ene asana bakure nyina ma ehunahuna kurem hafo yakoye no ho case besi na ye kan police fo anchi nipa ba ko bia na utia me akasa kwadofo su ba am danim obaka kiram say adwuma na ba ye no ya papa Julius Debra ensa wo adwuma num bi eniti sese odurubere kuma bebre sa ne be ka se o ni sa wo media se ye ya tia se kura but the soldier for baba abegina ho enam Julius ye papa Julius Debra nti but the soldier for baba abegina ho baba ye adwuma no na ye bi chief of staff eniti ye bisa say ye papa de yati aye nokre every me akoyo wosu bande no okan oyi wonne no e photo e de kirem enti ye nokre be ne ye benya firi sa de dum enti ye sre ye ni se mo ye yampayifo ya ha unyina no no se kronusa nipa wa ha so nyina ye akuafo na se ko ba ni se ya ye be da didi wo krom ha ye be da nyansu anom enti ye sre se dini na mpayifo no mudini na sa nipa no be se no no se be de mudiri be de na pampanyini photo abe bo abe tare ha na amakofi bu a ewie ya ne se de ya papa Julius Debra oye chief of staff udina bam se adwuma no wonsa wombi nti ya sraw ya mpe sai ya be wakratao bendi kratao amwa ekro no nti ya sramo ya mpe nti mo mfra no na mo tunufo na wonjai sisa wasam dini babi a odi mudina duru se mo na mota akire no aya ne guase akase amamo nti ya sramo se mon ka bibi nchira no na de be ye no benjai edamasi
Kwame, I assume. I think clearly.
Yeah.
Chief of staff ni Moshe. A branch any be our feeding, at the yes, sir. Now, chief of staff, the way should be a simple tax.
I was with you. Yeah.
Because Nipano, or more video in him. I was champagne new video in my home for now. I see a chiwoman. A DNT chiwom. So my castle moon pegalam saying, and to Chiason. Assembly to Chiason. And go for Mukasa no more video in him. And he Brekum West. When you drew up, Papa, way easy to identify. I am for so Muguma, you know. National security war. They can do this operation. And tell me the moon say, and no man de near and TB beyond for one dear. The Becca's a sanity.
Yeah, sure.
Because Meteaka say, me no a packet to be within a few minutes, national security for Beba. And I be a no so go be an I back. Beba. Banshee press CID for Befrem.
Sure.
Intermediate. Sadie way, Honorable Julius Debra.
Also in terms.
So within Nimua, a branch and so or do din Casa, no one boniding. Papa no video him. They should contact him.
Nafi.
Now, I said, Drew Monday, dear. Because the Julius Debra is part. And I don't want to believe Julius that I know. It can never happen.
Into the word, and some Nina Coco seek Galam say, and a course of intimate control.
Yeah.
Ya can't emfa. Nasi say Yababi who's a bad national can.
Yes.
And only.
Because we'll be a bar or you'll be dinner.
And we have communities that Kwame almost say a man for say Munsu Monsasi, but omunya any support from our buying because and sa ya ikuta and I task out for now Mubabe ye mining no Nigalam see Nechina a soche woman.
Baby.
What more bounce out police for this soldier for ye guardium. Or more bounce out sophisticated arms now, Kwame.
Yes.
And yet easy to come by no and unikuta. So if our buying is not allowing and now say condoning to some of these acts,
You say national security.
Yes. Jumapa.
And
they should take the necessary steps.
Chief of Staff Diniabo. Julius Debre Diniabo.
Oh, yes, Chief of Staff. No, be ordinary person.
Also, Muslim for you, the Bebo. Honorable Emmanuel Amakufibua.
Yes.
And a Bebo. But Omar Kizu say, the panic gay, emphatic say, Nipa will be Julius Debre. That means tight Kosoro. Quote a Bicosoro. And Tintesa, the Anya Papa not to all your day.
Yes,
because we are Chief of Staff. Regional Minister Munina, the district chief executive in Mishawasi. Dissect Resec is there. And Kwame, if you feel say, Unimu shade, then let hers rule. As I did do that, Yabakan said, the Tiao. Eselanopa. When young Quadan Quadabin Yakase, Omuya allegation. I was paying say Yacha him for gum because what Abacasa won't pay beyond. Yeah, I bet you know. A dear 2 minute police for Nina Chechis, uncle for Naya.
Yes.
Dissect for a room. Because Kwame, yet ordinary person, the Abacas or DNT. Yet on Henny. Nasa dissect in your way. Yache was your penny. And yes, say, Omutio Mufio. They are fighting Galamsey.
They are fighting for their right.
And the DCs is saying so on your way. Regional Minister is saying so on your way. The Regional Minister is saying on your way. And this allegation in Kosovo, and you know, near Resec, ne dissect, ne one, and for so Ben also. That is what you are saying, say, Regional Minister Nakum Manuatum, and I say, District Chief Executive of Sanakum and Nuatuman, as I say. Kwame Mentiasi. Mentiasi Nakame compa, but
yes, I was a quickly no.
Come come na Julius Debre will be respecting Kesepa.
Quickly, now what's your response?
Tina me person.
What's your response?
Because Adabraka. And Honorable Abdul Tofik Mumin was a cabinet dim komo. In fact, Honorable former Nasara coordinator for Ano Southwest constituency, a very hard-working, astute individual.
Very hard-working.
My guy just answer me more be abefi ha na enye kwa.
There be that.
Me follow that trend we na continue. Asa me mo aba ha no. Na ti se bibi wo mu. Enti na me mo aba. Na that was by now. Honorable etimi aba be dru ha. Bari anhwe. Roman father ne drone anopay father Martin Seba Mr. Kwame no ane no no. Honam yo titite no anabeno. Stroke na che honam yo mre. Ho aye bete. Pressure diabetes na how. Anopay to na ho ma yade aba beku ana. Me show yade aya kwankro pa de. Ye ntonchi akope Roman father ne drone bi. Na beti say you. Enya drone ne aduro. Aduro abejo ya atrema. Roman father aduro no. Eye dura nyaminsa wom eye dura umanyankopon kwan a obefa so eye ho nsenkyereni 0247919122 0247919122 0552668517 drugstore pharmacy shop eba shop bia benya bi afei 21st clinic here sciatica expert anopa wote ho ye the sciatica kin nankasa na efro 21st clinic hwe yade bia na mmom otu ase betwe wa betu 9 cedie eno de wan hwe yade kese ye symptoms e cho say yade kese e ba so pa enti free sciatica nerve no so sisi achi ne wo e ba besi wo area of pain no eye onan ase ho no tim se ho no ma red wo no ma do two already yami sciatica yade fon so for so be ka chi bra 21st clinic ko mbehwe amana ko say one time. Over 15 branches Kumasi Weshan overseas Sompa FM Sompa TV or Shuru no more from her. Yani Alpha Radio nebo a ben so. Obuasi Council Court Escort Junction Accra Tantra Hill. Sunyani Teaching Hospital Nkransa Yeboho Techimine GN Bank Dangda Den Mehonia Bo 0249311311 0249311311 0540311311 friend numbers here. A call center anti activated 24/7 and paying for befa no match or baby a bell now call and a poeta go heba mixture and in the capsules and I may come for mount a bema dio mema sembe ye no anita go heba mixture and ma some metal me dibi meyo eta go heba Mr. Zuka say no an offer eta go heba Mr. Ma memma sem ye what him so ho di mirika obetimetu adwuma bia ni wa wuntimi nye eta go heba Mr. Bema oni atinka oba oni atinka ko twere myself say I don't have a tinka there be kopeta go heba Mr. ni bi infections afudo ni nyina say go for te rough kopeta go ni bi nenonom e pharmacy shop drugstore any herbal shop 0243 228296 0243 228296 OCP Ghana Limited anope fertilizer dear season na draw so totoyi ye nyina nim say yakuafo ya prepare your land am your land are ready na afi dia na aka ye biem de aka ya ne say ye bedua nnuama na sia ye enti anope ye OCP Ghana Limited Osu mamencha wa hafu na nim na ade we ye yi a osu ade be ye wo no OCP Ghana Limited na the fertilizer ba mo modua atoso de vegetables nyadwa ntos moko gardeners ni nyina ohia OCP fertilizer friend 15 and I say OCP fertilizer 10-20-10 ano ne ade bo aburo emo atoso de vegetables any serious legumes for the ohia OCP TSP anopa bia ton fertilizer hoya papa bia benya bia to because yemfa mo bia this nipa ne onse ne nyoma na otoni original papa enti ugira ho ye dey Africa nyina OCP fertilizer ne agya tum kope bi nefa bomfo na nyoma enye kama obetima from 0555 909437 0555 909437 na jedoso pu abegu shop 0555 909433 anope onyoma munye hwam onyoma mbe de ayhwam wasi nyoma wie na wakọ hata ne sa da bi usi nyoma wie a o se oba be samfunum no o de comfort okọ adwaman so also pe comfort ato eno eye blue sachet nketenkete sa ko pebi nefa som nyoma na be samfunum no bo se nyoma ni mo hwehwehwehwehwehwem afeo na akro mefugu yi me bataka me sifta me hyegina me bada me ho hwehwem obitim sam se perfume be na me use perfume bia eye comfort ya ana me hu because you live there bibi om de bebe bia ye papa bibi om de bebe bia ye kama na anope bomodian ne kope bi na so fagu onwomam na afa nyoma na eninsante nwan and production arabu ayi de ji se mutu shadow na baby amemre adri de de baby amemre adri de because the way papa no osi bo adwuma na o se menya ample of time na menini din komo papa the way osi bo adwuma no be na Sara coordinator no adwuma no bo no me mama me time kitu bi a enso me no wo se menini din komo na tre manum wo se menini din komo na tre manum pa because or in history nipa ba ko be go down with him honorable Abdul Tofik Mumin in fact papa no wo be ma se obo adwuma nkasa RSYD Noviji Studios anopay obey skit obey movie the oba be bia no uhia RSYD Noviji studio a ye wo bibia ho no ma ye de twa movie oba be twa movie a ye wo creative director why a story na we na ya creative director bra be mo bi o be was kra why ya creative director or story no that's no kwase me wo me say so onya mayo onya kra mayo me however na odi nyoma bubom keka ho a afi otim se movie ne aye kama obeti enye ndia no pay odi nyoma keka bom otim se nyoma aye kama RSYD Noviji Studios ana make camfo ediama professional studios ya wan crime mala mabiase off first Kokroko Street and so Ghana bia ofre ya no be adwuma 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 030-397-4822 RSYD Noviji Studios ana no pe make camfo ede amount ewo ho and so na Apa di komo bebre. Na mo messages na ba koso anefa 0509438500. Na no pe yenye enkenkan emawo ewo Barbara way. Mo me na yemfa college no so rewra mu. Anopai afari nkomo afari military hospital nkomo ayedi. Afari military hospital nkomo ayedi. Ewo honom sa enso so and other relevant issues. 0548931931 0554931931. Hello, good morning. Good morning, boss.
William Nkwantabisa na hoye.
Minia papa bi me ho yo danzo e.
Oh, Awurade adom. Ene de odi bo hye kakra bi.
Junior said you be kan bi amiti o junior.
Edina no abo no. Manso I'm talking to the concrete. Me chairman Usumesa. Still maintain chairman. Na menchia amansa gwafo. Yura Fediko Jun Kansa yintimi. Oni ni nua chairman odeno ko kano no. Na minia menchia kodwenfi. Bido na afre ni boom or co-organizer ewo CB na afi yura DK dane kwakumensa. And also about the year regional organizer ewo the region. Minia the tiene say ekoba ni saying and NDC4 muba 8 years ya na de bia metia ya na me bukwa 80 omutim bisa say NPP ba 8 years na aferi wo ho enti sa 8 years na muba ye no me kasa kakra me wi a me say minia da ko penso so you can say sako de mum sako de enso beba na onzo beto aso e wo so na minia de tiene say Mahama muba ye no na after a hospital who won't be the 8 years, or mental complete. And I you like Kufado by, and who say, hey, I sent him, India, Penny Kufo, and a sassy. It's NDC for the Timode, Uncle one, but the Wako ye, and we do say, my station at Gumu. NDC for by a Mose, you are Yakufadana, I have you say, Nadia Metuaso. And when I'm pressing in our Kosua, and minority MPC call, and what prevent was on Mamon Koa, Yamia, the Mutuko. Yeah, can you catch a Ghana for say? If you deal with a unimu, you are a Mahama air campaign, or catch and say, or bar, or the pussy nurses, and Mako Akoyaguma. No one bunny will be up prepared hospital. Come on, say, pushing a mouth of a call, machine now, the beer was set, not for Koyaguma as for Mongwa. And yet, I can't say, gee, another Confanochi and a pressure because see, we are not to tell Kumom or more suspended on. If I saw Ben also, or more than 20 ma, you will go for the jail now, so then, Krishna, I'm out for years, money.
That's a junior. Hello, good morning. Opinion, Miriam Benio.
Because you're Sack with the jungle.
Hey, that's Sack himself. Sack, Mammy pay.
Mammy Mwabasana, Mentia was an old copy of Pia Santimakucana, and in Tiatan also don't banner. Yeah, I think it goes tricky on the Sunday Assistant Secretary and our lawyer that could be implemented. Like I tell me, President comes the hospital and sends him. True. You know, this is why I'm not. You know, some position, but then in that candle. And I'm looking at the hospital by hospital. And what can someone say? Yeah, the 2 minutes on that. You only want to start to require my husband do, and no one. And then when I done up to 18. Who's actually me after listening first as well? MPP office in Nafalini. Who gets meant to move your I'm not meant to have Progana Siko. Yet, a grow you would settle us. Yet, Musika, Yabo, not to say the Atosment, Goma Sment, Prakatia Pantamuga. After all, the year, I say, Muria and Mafia, what is the daily we are here? Yeah, wait, 100%. Those are the confirmation name, I say that's where you go. And the Wafari, you are the fully woko baby ya agenda wa umko bi trade nyina complete palekati no mudie enti munye ne tesa aka ne ma ba no bi nta mo fa ka ho na Ghana fo enye adwumanye edinete fo na doctor to mu gufie ne enye adwumanye na Ghana fo enso enti nya konya kwanye de oje bi onso ta na konya ko diga wo to ade o a to wa ye to enti sanye ma we nyina mo nya na de munim se ye obi project ye ku penti ayi 20 na mo de mo di Disney and then when you send for a you submit the print and drop mission bottom and any distance to drop out so I feel muka. Who the minute will be the one car. What are the Trumka to let women about to radio soon TV so cut on point in a different how you in the United was no muka. What are the Busun and some cocoa jacket? The Ghana Lydia would him there. The train was what tip things to focus on content and it's a bad one.
Thank you, Zach. Hello, good morning. And Council Robert Fadeniana.
Professor Joshua Aladi. Pache Freme, Kofi Boache, when Uncle Ponsonfo, and answering Yamia Danfo, Imian in our Fremia. Be okay. First name Yamia, Yamia Kwan and Fuama, and then Yameson for Name Adamfo. Neko Menimono, Mamentia, Ira Betan for a neighbor regional secretary, and you have a super regional organizer, and I feature my Nanako system and tea. Now, and a prayer with the Sompa, Idino, and Fenia. Yes, someone, you know, I can't say. And yes, say, in Mosebi, pay a baby qua, not baby bar, not and to us one you might take a home, not a bina yet. It's in Yaman, one say. Send you more canny video, I'm sure you know, you're Manolity no fine. Neomo yeno. Media Mensuma Jenny say, okay, more walk around my bino, and yet, Sabina, I said about so, Emum told the beer. Na omo de omo politics no awuramu omo de sabi omo interest na awuramu dodo anything you will come and say after one hospital you nim say si wa 8 years na na do dan kwaku fodo e pen so wa me ye ho hwe after that time no omo no mo jia mu say omo ban wo so omo ntimi an kwasa hospital sa wo do no e ntimi akoka Mr. President omo president na na do say your hospital yema yen severe de yema yen e be sinne then who and then over that say almost Papa Gan of Sunday of the 40 Sabia Brisabia so on the country say I buy them quiet, I buy them here. Then mom take a break. You will come her, come from market. And see what you will perform and pay that for a year. Now to buy your man to also. Yeah, that's right. You know, you're Ghana. But to the winner when you want to put it here. You will be here by very much. Let me say, and should I say, you are John Domani Mama Paye. Who you come from marketer? One make your attention or transform or young workman. And see, because what I say, what you are buying a Santa region. Also to Saudi War, and you are what war, and did that is how you know you want your money. So, Yamaya, and Penny Fossey. I'm for the veteran and trust or Ghana for none of them say yes. And I mean, okay, say, don't do Chroma. Put him in 93 if you say, I buy about the amount to 2 years, Kizubamo.
Thank you. But I say, unfortunately, meeting for Kobe, one before a lot, of course, and so Elha, Honorable Abdul Tofik Mumin, may catch up say, or no, the way I was your boy, money research at my own with Chido. I would need bad, but it's unfortunate. Mess up and I baby, Honorable up here matching. That important to say.
Boko tu fonya kuponda umanti ya hunya papa.
Na ese yo me ko say.
No ma ekoye umse mambo na nyemum. Bet yankuponda urma ya tiase. Egusu ya kakrakra.
Is it sa elections here muni wo.
No cra.
Is it obesa ko den.
Ya me jina ho se delegates nyemum mu gidia. Na omato abama as constituency chairman.
Okay. Oh, constituency chairman.
Yeah.
And why not by a mo be pekino 22nd.
Yeah.
24th and then 26th na mo wi.
Sa pepe.
Okay. Now grounds to say.
Oh, no crane money. Grounds ye papa. Sanse masum party no ama party ma hu se ampa. Dumaso am ye bo party no. Omo peye me kudu sa pempensu no a metima bo ma partner here akonanim
e dia na ma hu se we dan so at this time round obian say well okọ Nasara you were doing well na ze oba chairmanship
yeah enokra mira na me Nasara coordinator no dwumade me die ma partner no economy ni say as a Nasara coordinator die eso we say enzonga communities no in the settlers areas obeye adwuma obeton part na ma omahu sine part na yere etie enokrani muni wohwe afano southwest nzongo communities ni na mitikuo across the constituency.
Wow.
Emma part ne vote ere e kosoro. Esan se na team na ye dinam na anodene. Sa time no NPP na etimiya about 5,000 6,000 4,000 but aneno no kreni muni. Se me betene fi amanye nasara coordinator bim. Ma part na ere kofam. Ama NDC for no enye hope say 2028 omoji city near reference ono nti na ma me hu say ampa ese metum hu si ho na me be constituency chairman na strategy the then national coordinator na me na me di go akwam no me pagya ma part no afa no ntoma pa refra na e voice sa kosoro se ne kan city ama
and aya na o regret say kan adwuma e be the party do baby me twem ho kakra yi sinking yoma ya na ye o yasa
enokre eyeme papa sense dwumaden na ye no na anoden because na NDC fonkasa nim dwuma na ye mukwa na omusro ye kwa election say ya na omunim so enye ye ema omu but aneno entisa NDC for no say omu hope na e woso esanse omu se vote no akofoma kodru 600 pe abasa no in fact metena se na meraho sa pepe penalty.
But you have a commoda for da ya per times I'm responsible for time now so but a day na o catch your man for until said da beba me share da engage you ama ye din komoye
yo mini am da se edin kan meche aye incoming president Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia say Ghana for hunu and try NDC for try ya o meji tumana fede baby o mede o man ekono ekobone ene me MP Elvis Osemensa da pa sense wo boy juma papa sabe o say there was ye juma no ka constituency executives ka omutimi etu mu hu si ho ye juma sa no me gidi say ka sa NDC for hope na me ka embasa ene me constituency executives party police executive electoral area coordinators any party man na afa no southwest edition mu na obi anye reshemiere emame say as constituency chairman de omunye mugidie na moto abane mamia mepeja ma party no atsa gina na nanso se na esitie no ama yesa dinkunima ya vote ere ekoso.
Okay. Ada beba ye beko achia kwa gohwe o growing up said the name your city ye be rural constituency hoyi ebra kwa na Sara coordinator no legacy a wujaye ebi say nku a wotete ye no so mfa so eba ma party nim na afa ya show candidate Dr. Baumia ene wo MP abo ni din tada abadira say I want a proper time minim di obetima na ye di nkomo why tene de maminya
Midas
ada be ba ye be hye de edin komo yi
minia midas na minia mama guess 1 minute pena eden ya adofo na ye doso esanse we constituency honoma empanyifo ni bi honoma sese o matumu ho asi ho se abrano bia na ombebo ama party na ye ekonanim ye constituency chairman aye chairman Brobe
okay
michiano no pay
chairman Brobe
yeah
okay
Nasara coordinator aye Alhaji Boko Haram michiano aye Honorable Guma minia aye Mohammed say watunu ho asi electoral area coordinator obo adwuma papa any party manyina aye Adeba Kunsu enokrani mo no say electoral area coordinator obo adwuma papa nyasam kitwa aye Tola Emmanuel Asiaka awo pode ono say police station chairman party manya police station executive ne electoral area coordinators mintimi embo obi dinyere enjabi omuyina mekase mbodi ni a kese tam yere eni ho maye ombuye enya hope yere
okay medasi honorable Amini di komo anopay honorable Abdul Tofik Mumin ono ana eye former Nasara coordinator ma afo ano Southwest constituency anopay there was engaging in lengthy but okopie baby no visit there was osaba di betimi ma ne fu enya ne ka kwa onim say yaba stadium park na gasa so ehwa enti yaso ya be apologize say communication ankoyi dia ma ko so amiansa ti ma show bo say nya dia obesa ba ne nya aboche edim komuye nyamisha ala nyokes all right on that note sports team no I ready work and then work atade e hye de wa fa ne ho pa ma weather hey alaji work yo ember power eba betena sena ember power chinchim stia no ewo dwumadie no ewo honom na happy birthday koma Lydia Mafo the marketing manager Emma Dima Health Services Bantama Wayfree Barbara Taylor or say may your light shine as your skin and amen to all your secret prayers. I love you so much. Oh, the skin there is skinning. And Lydia Oba away or Beku or Besima Alvedia. Happy birthday to you. And a happy birthday Kesia Pa Nkoma Pagri Kofi, a hard-working colleague or Sunyai Sompa. Kofi day your birthday, Mene Kwame Nkwantabisa say happy birthday to you. You say Nyankopon sha ne domni ni mobro say omo akoma so ade mrem nyame fo mfra dumu kwa dumu Kofi, we are proud of you. Happy birthday. Koso a na ye adwumaden na nyame emre so obi sha obibre. A very happy birthday to Osofo Charles Obeng Papa yamu official pa na yensanka say happy birthday to you Wayfree odoyere ahofedua Auntie Gladys Obeng, Mrs. Gladys Obeng, and Honorable Wafa Anwamu. Say happy birthday to you. Papa, you say, Jammy say, Oma Domno, and Kosonya Kese, Oma Fiano, and Quenimu. Papa, Yami shout on your Kese. Mark Gladys also would you on yet. Then Pioneer say, Yame Emma who are dining in China, and Obon Payamount. Happy birthday, Osofo Charles. Enjoy this day. On that note, a friend and Kwame Nkwantabisa, my phone, Nkwantabisa, my sorry, now work ni team no, and by my